Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching as always. And today I've been to Aldi and I've got the chicken gyros kit. I think that's how you say it. Gyros, gyro, whatever you want to call it. It's here. Boom. So we get 2 flatbreads, fries, cooked marinated chicken and tzatziki sauce. So yeah, £3 19p I think it was. Something like that. So yeah, it should feed 2 of us. It'll probably be a smaller amount, but I'm gonna sort of show you with me opening it, what's in it, and then we'll cook it, all right? So here we are. Gonna do it from the top. That was a fail, wasn't it? Let's just open it up. So, here we go. Some chips. Too many in there, but like you say, these chips are, obviously it's going to go into 2, so yeah. Sauce, a little bag. We'll put that into some warm water to defrost it. 2 flatbreads, fairly small size, but I mean you get 2. And I'm assuming this is the chicken, all bagged up. So yeah. 16 minutes in the oven is what it says. I'm actually going to put it in the air fryer, believe it or not. I'm going to air fry the chips, sorry. I'm going to air fry the chips. I think it's going to make them more crunchy. I'll put that in the oven. I'll let you know how long I'll cook it for. The flatbreads, so how are we doing that? And the flatbreads, we'll chuck these in at the end and cook it up. Alright, so cut to me when it's done. I've actually decided just to cook it all in the air fryer. I think it's just going to be easier that way. Probably like 7-8 minutes in here, and I'm going to put the flatbread in the oven. So here's a little close-up of the chicken. It's almost like a chicken kebab sort of type of texture. It's not a massive amount, but like you're saying, it's £3 something. There's some chips to go in it. I'll give it a taste now. Tastes good. It actually does. Tastes very nice. Can't complain. So that's the chicken that's going to go in it. We've then got the flatbread. That, beautiful. I'm sure it's going to roll, but that's delicious. And then we've obviously got the defrosting tzatziki sauce. So, yeah, let me just get the chips out now. You can probably hear them in the background in the air fryer. And we'll put it together, shall we? Right, so there's that. And then we're going to go in with some of the chicken. Not too much because we're going to have to share this. Then I'm going to in some of the chips. I'll cook the chips for the exact time, but I would say they probably need longer. But I'm going to have them for the time it says, just so you guys can reference what, you know, this is what the box says. So yeah, and then I'm going to drizzle my tzatziki sauce. Okay, then wrap this bad boy up and we'll see what it looks like wrapped. So that's the best I can get it wrapped. Really, it does break up a little bit, but all in all, considering that's a frozen flatbread, that's actually not bad. So yeah, right, let's turn that around. Let's get the camera set up and then I'll try it again. So right, here it is. I've tried to fold it, like you're saying, some of it's falling out. But here it is. Ripped a little bit, not too bad. Let's go straight in. The bread feels really, really soft. That is delicious. Bread is so soft, and I really mean that. Really, really soft bread. Chicken delicious. Chips maybe a little bit longer, but still good. Let's go for another. That tzatziki sauce is brilliant. £3 19p for 2 of them. That's actually not bad. I think, you know, it's a decent little meal, little snack. It was cooked in what? I think it cooked in less than 15 minutes. Which is very good. They also do a doner meat one, which I will try that again. But yeah, I've got to give that an 8.5 out of 10. The value is pretty decent. I would buy them again, definitely. Obviously you can make them yourself, but you know, for the price, yeah, decent. Let me know if you've tried them. or if you tried the doner meat or anything like that, anything close. And thanks for watching, and if you could subscribe please, it'd be a big help to the channel. Just trying to grow it up, and appreciate all of your, all of you for watching and liking and commenting. It means a lot. And yeah, I'll see you next time.